You are not getting clients because you have no idea who you are selling to. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a crystal clear client persona, client avatar, so you can stop wasting time on the wrong people, claiming there is no job out there, and start attracting clients who actually pay. Hey neighbor, it's good to see you again. If you're just seeing my face, I'm the Mfon Akban. I help you monetize your skills and your knowledge online. On this channel, I share everything on this subject, how I am doing it, and how you can do it as well. If this is something you're interested in, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content on the channel. And like this video, okay, so it can reach a wider audience. Just take a second and do that now. Thank you so much for your support. These things help me stay motivated. You have no idea. And if you have any questions about this video, you can drop them in the comment section, okay? All right, so why do you have to create your client persona? This is super important because if you don't define your client's persona, you don't define the kind of people you're offering your services to, here's what's going to happen. You attract low budget clients who don't value your work. You keep on applying for jobs. You keep on sending cold emails, cold pitches, and getting ignored. You waste time on the wrong audience whilst your competitors steal the clients you are supposed to have. The good news is this is fixable only if you do it right. You've started the first step by watching this video. Step 1, be specific. Be very specific. Your ideal client is not anyone who needs a VA or whatever freelancing gig you're doing. That's like saying your ideal partner is any human. So you need to be very specific. Instead, answer these questions as if your business depends on it, because it does. The first question you want to ask is, who are they? What kind of business do they run? Are they influencers? Are they YouTubers? Are they coaches? Right? You can even go as far as their age range. Are they young entrepreneurs, mid-career professionals? Where are they located? Are you targeting local clients, or you're targeting global clients, or you're targeting clients who are working with people globally? You want to be as detailed as possible in this particular step. The next question you want to ask is, what industry are they in? Health, fitness, online education. YouTubers fall into online education. Next question you want to answer is, where do they hang out? What platforms do they use? Where can you find them? Is he on Facebook? Is he on Instagram? Is he on X? Is he on TikTok? And one of the most important questions you need to answer is, what is their frustration? This is super important because if there's no problem, there is no solution, which is where you come in, right? Even if you don't know what your client persona is, like you're targeting everybody, you need to answer this question because there has to be a problem for you to solve. Okay. Now the next question I dare to add is, how much do they earn? This will help you know if you're targeting high ticket clients or clients that receive bigger pay at the end of the month. So these are the questions you need to answer, okay? For example, let's say you're a VA specializing in social media management. Your ideal client could be a 35-year-old female who is a life coach struggling to create content and want to build and grow their brand online. That's way more specific than just saying anyone with social media need or anyone that needs social media help. I help everybody. I am a virtual assistant that specializes in social media management. And if you need any social media, any kind, I got you. Now let's move on to the next step. Remember, we're still in the first step, which is for you to get specific, or you'll be ignored. Get specific. Step 2, find their biggest pain points. We scratched this in step 1. Now let's talk about it in detail. So you need to find that problem and make them desperate to fix it. Some people don't even know that they have this problem. That's the truth. Some clients don't even know that this problem exists in their life. So you need to help them identify it and then position yourself as the solution. Some people want to post on social media. Some people want to grow their social media presence, but they don't know how. Maybe they have a 9 to 5 and a side hustle, and their side hustle is struggling. They need someone to fix that problem for them. Let's say you are somebody who likes Facebook and you're conversant with Facebook. You can visit some of these Facebook groups and just check out what they are ranting about. Go to LinkedIn. What are they frustrated with? Check out their website. Is it messy? Check out their Instagram. Are they using automation? By the way, this is one of the things I teach my students in the VA simulation program. If you've not signed up yet, the next wave is coming up soon. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Okay. Now you've identified the problem. The next thing you want to do, which is the next step, is to create an irresistible offer. Once you know they are paying, you package your skill as the painkiller. The next thing you want to do is to find them. And don't just find them, get in front of them. Knowing your ideal client is useless. Defining your client persona is useless if they cannot see you, if they don't know you exist. I tell my students all the time, don't be a virtual assistant that is not virtual. There's nothing like, oh, I'm not going to be that person. I wasn't. I say this all the time, even on this channel. I was not. The moment I decided to start making money online, I told myself, Mfon, you need to show up online. There's no two ways about it. You cannot stay in this house offline and be like, I cannot. I don't want to go on camera. I don't want people to know I exist. And tell yourself you want to make money. You need to find them and get in front of them. Comment on their post, engage, and slide into their DM with a value packed offer. Now, I want you to do one thing. Comment below with the type of clients you want to work with. Let's see how specific you get. Drop that comment now and I'm watching. I'm going to respond to all of it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope this video was very helpful to you. Let me know also in the comment section if it was. All right. Click the link in the description to sign up for the next wave of VASP. All right. The link will also be in the pinned comment. And I cannot wait to see you inside. Watch this video next. Bye, neighbor.